Hello, it's Mark at Billof. I'm getting ready to do an opening of a package that I received from a subscriber. He's been generous enough, he's following the boat restoration and thought he would contribute to it, some old parts that he has, and we're going to find out what those are. Now this is Victor over at iFish, and I can hear him telling me right now, because I've seen him on his videos and I know how he talks and everything. He's saying, Mark, get a good boat. Life's too short. But he was still generous enough to donate to the project boat. Here's a link to his channel, and I'd appreciate it very much if you'd go over there and take a look at it. Subscribe if you like it, and just let him know that you came by and thank him for me. Appreciate it. Here we go. Wow. Right off the bat, we've got what looks like a really quality rod holder, and more than one of them. Holy cow. A little selfie stick too. These things keep coming on. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. Well, this is well packaged. He told me it would be. Ooh, baby. Well, what we have here is the Lowrance Elite 4X fish finder, and this is definitely going to get installed on the boat. Look at there. I'm telling you, he must think I have a lot of fishing rods. And then we got all the mounts for him. Ooh, transducer and everything that goes with it. I feel like it's Christmas. Some more. All the mounts. The mount for the, I believe that's the mount for the fish finder. This must be, I don't know, I bet that's something to do with the transducer though. Just more mounts. Holy cow. All right. Oh, this was well packaged. So we've got 6 rod holders and a fish finder and all the accessories needed to install them. Ooh, wait a minute, we got some hooks. £40 test line. He must know I need it. Swivels. Man, I use this stuff. Good looking hooks. You can see the swivels there. Got some string, 40 pound. I wonder what that is. Got some green things, whatever that is. Sure, I'll figure it out. Well, Victor, I want to thank you a ton, because that's a lot of stuff, and I very much appreciate it. And you can bet it will get used. So thanks again. Now check him out over at iFish. He's a great guy. I've watched a lot of his videos, and he's pretty interesting. So give him a try. All right. Thanks a lot. Oh, mercy. Holy crap. You ain't believing this thing. This is big. You better get that net.